Hello everyone, I'm Jimena Martinez Rodriguez from the Materials Design um, for Virtual Environments. I'm here to talk about Classdojo. That is an application that allows teachers to follow and motivate and encourage students to achieve their goals and behavior and participate and um, also motivate them to create a good space in classrooms and outside the classrooms. So here, well, this is an application that you don't need to download in your computer. You just go to Dojo, classdojo.com, and then you're gonna find out. Let me see if I can log out, and I get in again. So you get log in as a teacher. Here, you're gonna start with your email. I already have my email, so in case you don't have your email, you have to set up your account. So you put your email and password, and then you can log in. Once you log in this platform, you're gonna see some demo classes, but I also create one class that is called English for Fun. And in this class, I got 4 students. My students, you can grade them in their different aspects. In this case, students. Let me show you. So I go to students, and here you can see that I had Daniel Arango, Joel Cuero, Maylin Cuero, Steven Lopez, but you can add more students if you want. Excuse me. Here, you add a student, just click in add a student, and you put the name of your student. Let's say Isabela Perez. So I add Isabela and I save it. And I want to add another student, that way I can create a group of 2 or 3. And let's say Sebastián Murcia. So I add Sebas here. It's as easy as that. You can add or remove the students as you want. Here you can see that you got the families, and here you can invite families or students to join the application. As soon as they join the application, they're allowed to see what's going on with the kids, and kids are allowed to see how many points do they have, what's happening with them and their goals. So here you can add the email of the parent and invite them, or the phone number, and they're gonna get the invitation by the phone. But you also can download printouts, and on that report, that is a printout with all the information you need to get into the application. And you can send it through email, or you can just print it out and give it to parents. Here you can see the skills, and what do we have over here is, for example, helping others. These ones come by default: on task, participating, persistence, teamwork, working hard. I added this one, emotional intelligence. And let's add another one. Let's say speaking English. So if they speak English, I'm gonna give them 3 points to speak English. So you see here we got speak English as a positive point, And here we get the needs to work. Those are the negative points. I don't like them a lot, but we need it. So here I add no following directions, but I can add another one. Let's say speak Spanish. Speak Spanish in class. Speak Spanish. So if they speak Spanish, they're gonna get minus, let's say -2, -3. I give them, well, let's say -2. So this, actually I can change my icon here. You can design which one to put, and I will say I will choose this one. Now let's put another one here. You can let's put that one. So you see, you can play with this a little bit, and you can choose if you want the parents to see use positive points, all points, negative points. I would like them to see all the points, so I choose all points. That way the parents can see negative and positive points. Here, let's go back to skills. So here we got this positive and needs to work skills. Here in this space here, we can add a co-worker or teachers from another classroom, or maybe a teacher who you're working with in like different subjects. So you can add it and send the invitation and join to this award. This application works as a rewards coupons. That those coupons are the ones that we give in classes for students, and it's a little bit like this. Here in settings, you can edit and you can enable comments, and you can enable comments of parents and coworkers. So here in info, you can change the information, or you can find the information of your class. Here are the students, as I say, and we got the students, they get some points. So let's see what do we have here. Portfolios, here you can create an activity. You create an activity, and these are the activities who give them points. So you decide the type of response type here. You decide to who student is this activity for. In this case, I had the whole class here. So I click OK. Let's see. Sing the body parts song. So this is go to the web page, go to YouTube, and practice the video. And send a video singing this song. So I assigned this to the class. I put video, and I assigned this to the class. So here they had to sing, they had to record themselves, and here they had to sing. This is some information, and let student log in, do the activity. So you're gonna give them the password to get in, and I mean to see, yeah, the password that you get. You approve student for the responses, student work and share home to families. So you can see here everything about this activity. Okay. These are activity ideas. You can create another activities here. Now let's go to class story. Here you can tell about what's going on with this with these kids. Let's say my students um, did a did an excellent job singing the body parts song. And I'm gonna post it. Let's say I got a video record, or photo or something that I can post, but in this case I don't have it. Or if I want to create an event, here I can create an event too. So I posted, and here is what Miss Martinez will say to parents and to students. They decide if they like it or comment or whatever they want to do in this post. Um, Here, the same happen if you create an event. So parents can comment, or students can comment or like, or here a message. You can communicate. This is another way to communicate with parents. Well, schools always had a communication process, and they had their own way to communicate with parents, but this is another way of communicating with them. In my case, that I'm not from a school, I had a foundation and I work with students. This will be great for me, and I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna use this application since now on because it's really helpful, and this definitely encourage them to participate and play and motivate them to do activities and keep getting points. I used to work with reward coupons, but now I'm gonna do a more virtual and use this application that can give me a lot of information that is really helpful for us. So here, we can invite families. That is something that we already saw. That you can invite families over here. And here in this space, you can edit your class. If you want to change something from your class, you can view reports, and this is really good. And I love it when I saw it. I can see here that I had Isabella no points because I haven't given her no points. Sebastian neither Sebastian. So let's see the ones that have some points. In this case, that Mylene has 70% because she got a knees work minus 1 point. And here you can find what's happening with Mylene. Well, Mylene didn't follow directions at 7 p.m. and this was a report from teacher. And here you can remove it or you can leave it there, whatever you want. And here you can see who gets 2 points and why they did it. So this is a really good report for you, and in case you're working in a school, you can use this report as an attitudinal report for your school report or school grades. Here you can also check the attendance. Let's say March 23rd. So I'm gonna record the attendance for all of them. This is by default. You can record all of them as present. But let's say that Isabella didn't come. So I put absent. So I'm gonna change it to red and I'm gonna put absent. Let's say the Daniel Arango came late. So it's gonna change to yellow. So you're gonna save it and you're gonna see it here in the report on the 23rd. Absent Isabella and late Daniel. So that's it. I think this everything for this wonderful application. Also, you can create groups here. You can get group A and group B, and I can create another group. Let's say I create group C with Isabella and Sebastian, So I create this group and I'm gonna put this group C. So now I create my group and they can play against them during class, and I gonna do activities by groups. So this is the application. I hope you like it. I hope it helps you, and I hope to see you soon. I really like this app, and I gonna use it for my classes and my activities. Have a great day and see you soon. Thank you.